Here's an insane math trick that's going to let you square any number that ends in a 5 instantly without a calculator. So here we have 75 times 75. Now we know this can be rewritten as 75 squared. So I'm going to break this up into 7 and 5 squared. I'm going to take the number in front of the 5 squared, in this case it's 7, and I'm going to multiply it by the number one higher than itself. So 7 times 8. Well, 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to take the 5 squared, and I'm going to expand it out to 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is obviously 25. And that's it. 75 squared is 5,625. Let's try it with 35. So we have 35 squared. I'm going to break it up to 3 and 5 squared. I'm going to multiply 3 by the number one higher than itself, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. I expand the 5 squared into 5 times 5, which is 25, and 35 squared is 1,225. But does this really work for any number ending in 5? Well, let's try a bigger number like 115 squared. Well, here the number in front of the 5 squared is 11. So we're going to take 11 and we're going to multiply it by the number one higher than itself, which is 11 times 12. 11 times 12 is 132. We're going to expand the 5 squared out into 5 times 5, which is 25. And that's it. 115 squared is 13,225. Here's a couple of practice problems you can try on your own. Let me know what solutions you got in the comments.